Hello friends, welcome to our next session. This session is on English grammar and the subject we are talking about is have, has and had. We will be learning in this lesson how to use these words correctly. A lot of times, and I definitely mean that a lot of times even educated people, qualified, experienced professionals and even students who are going to the best of the schools will make mistakes with these. Not only that, the same person will use these words correctly sometimes and sometimes makes a mistake. That means a lot of people are not really clear about how to use these words correctly. In this session, what we will learn is how do we use these words correctly. Have, has and had. Trust me, it will help you improve your writing and improve your speaking to a large extent. Whether you're taking a TOEFL test, whether you're taking an IELTS, Celpip, or you're just using it to improve your writing at your workplace or in the school. Okay. So first thing first, let's understand the subjects in English language and we keep it in two families or two groups. Group 1, I, we, you, they. Group 2, he, she, it. These are, broadly speaking, the subjects that we are using, and these subjects are divided into two groups. You can definitely see the color difference and identify the two groups. Now let's understand the usage of have. Have will go with the first group, that is I, you, we, they. I have, you have, we have, they have. Very simple and very easy to understand. The second group, which is he, she and it, it will always go with the word has. He has, she has, it has. It here refers to some matter or material, maybe my cell phone, maybe my computer, or maybe my car or my bike. Some examples that we can look at it as I have a car, I have a bike, I have a team, I have a house. Same goes for you have a bike, you have a team, you have a pen, you have a pencil, you have a notebook. We have a team, we have a house, we have our community, they have a house. So you understand that I have, you have, we have, they have. Simple and easy to understand. He has, she has, it has. Now, if we look at these examples, he has a pen, he has a bike, he has a house, she has a phone, she has a scooter, she has a bike. It refers to my mobile phone. It has 2 cameras. It has great features. It can refer to my motorcycle. It can refer to my house. It can refer to my any other thing that I own or that I have with me. Now, once we have understood it, it looks simple. The words that have goes with I, you, we and they. Has goes with he, she, it, and this is it. English grammar has certain rules and we all have to follow it. Next, what if we have to write negative? That is not. In that case, the same sentence becomes I don't have, we don't have, you don't have, they don't have. The word don't will be added in between. We will place the word don't in between I and have. Same goes for he, she and it. Here, don't becomes doesn't. He doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have. Very simple and easy to understand, both in affirmative and negative sentences, the use of have and has. Now we come to uses of had. Had is relatively much simpler because whether it's I, we, you, they, she, he, it. Everywhere it will be had if it is an affirmative sentence. She had a pen. They had a car. He had a bicycle. It had great features. We had a team. I had a ball. What if we have to write negative sentence using had? We will be using I had not eaten. We had not done. She had not eaten. Now you see the third form of verb is coming, which is eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Then again done. Again eaten. She had not written. She had not played. I hope this clarifies a lot of doubts for you. If you had any doubt on have, has, and had, now you know how to use them effectively when you are, whether you are writing or whether you are speaking. You just have to remain conscious for some time, make conscious efforts while you write to cross-check what you have written, and that should do well. Once it gets into your habit, you won't even have to think about it. It will start flowing the way you want it to flow. Thank you. If you like the video, go ahead, press the like button and subscribe to the video, channel. Not only that, if you want me to address any other issues, please do put it in comments. I will be happy to share my updates there.